Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account active, character unlocked, and minimum level met. Then, immediately equip Exploration or XP Boost gear and consume the daily buff. This maximizes yield from the first actions. Open the world map and pick nearby objectives that grant Trailblaze experience. Once done, prioritize objectives that chain quickly, small nodes, courier tasks, and discovery points. Combine movement abilities to hit multiple nodes per run and keep momentum. You want efficient loops, not wandering. Now you focus on the complex middle steps. Plan a loop that chains discovery, rare node collection, and repeatable quests so each run stacks Trailblaze experience. Use movement boosts and mounts to string objectives together and fast travel points to reset loops quickly. Make sure to track respawn and event windows. Timing lets you hit fresh rewards. Once you master one loop, vary it to include nearby events and resource nodes. This prevents diminishing returns and keeps XP per minute high. To finish, complete turn-ins and area completion to bank bonus Trailblaze experience. These often grant larger spikes at run end. If you notice yield drops, change your route, reset the session, or verify all buffs and equipment are active. Small misses kill efficiency. Make sure to log simple metrics: XP per run and time per loop, so you can refine routes. Once optimized, repeat the best loop until your Trailblaze target is reached. Consistency beats random grinding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.